Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you that how to select hairs in Photoshop with a very quick way. So let's start the video. First of all, open Photoshop and import the image. As you can see these hairs are rough. And it is not possible to select these hairs with the pen tool or quick selection tool. So today we will select these hairs. Select the background layer, press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer. Now select the quick selection tool. And make a rough selection of the model. Now with the quick selection tool selecting, select on select and mask. So click here. Then a new window will open in the front of you. Now here you need to do is select the plus, hardness 76%, and select the second brush, refine edge brush tool. And now click here, select black and white. You can also do it with this black and white. Now rub it here. It will take a time, so don't worry about it. Also rub it over there. Don't rub it on the skin. It will remove the skin. Keep rubbing it. Now click here, go to margin ends to see that all hairs been selected. You can also change these settings, but now I'm click OK. Now press Ctrl J. Now as you can see that all the hairs are being selected and being removed from the background layer. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos.